Businesses big and small are using the vast amount of data now available to them to make better business decisions. And to analyse this data, we need business analytics. At its core, business analytics is using data to gain insights into customer and business trends, as well as making decisions for business strategic advantage. So how is business analytics different from data science? In a nutshell, data science is the broad process of using scientific methods to extract information from large and complex data sets. Business analytics is about using and presenting this data to business. In Australia, non-IT business jobs with an analytics understanding are the fastest growing jobs in data science. This is because businesses need people who combine a basic understanding of data science and analytics on the one hand with business knowledge and soft skills on the other. And career outcomes go beyond being a business analyst. We are therefore excited to introduce the Master of Business Analytics, where students will be taught to be what businesses need and lack. Someone with an understanding of the technical tools used to analyse data, together with the relevant business and soft skills to communicate the importance of that data to business. Firstly, there are no lectures or tutorials, just workshops and activities. Secondly, our workshop facilitators are not just academically qualified, they have an intimate knowledge of business analytics in industry. Thirdly, we provide opportunities to practice soft skills together with business case studies. And finally, we have intimate links with the analytics communities, both domestic professional organisations and international. Therefore, our Master of Business Analytics will equip you with in-demand technical, business and soft skills. It will future-proof your career in business and introduce you to a proactive academic and business community.